proceed and do the services section. On the layers panel, create a new group and name it services. Now, as you notice on our wireframe, there is 3 sections. So we can easily divide this. This grid has 15 columns. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for each section. Switch to the text and copy the heading. Place it at the center. Turn the all caps and make it bold. For the color for this one, let's change this to 333. Make sure the size is 18. Now create another text and copy this one. Turn off all caps. Make it regular. Change the font size to 16. Change the color to a slightly light gray. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6666. And make sure the paragraph has 30 indent left and right. Now this will be followed by Learn More. Turn this all caps, make it bold, and change the font size to 13. For the color for this will be Peter River. Change the color like that. Now open up the icon and let's start choosing the right one. Now for web design, let's choose the globe icon. Now credits for the icon for the user Victor Erickson on Dribbble. So this is his lovely icon set. Now locate the icon and place it at the top of the heading. Now let's resize this by pressing Ctrl T, and on the information panel, by default it's on 16. So let's double the size. That will make it 32 by just adding 2, changing the width and height to 200%. And for the fill color, let's use concrete. Turn on the baseline grid. Let's resize the something like that. So the globe, the distance will be 60 pixels. So using the ruler tool, measure 60 right there. And place the globe just like that. Make sure it's on the baseline grid, followed by the heading, as well as the text Move it down. The spacing for this 1, 2, 3, or just like that. Just place it on the baseline grid, and for this one, 1, 2, 3, 4. Make sure the line height is 3. Now for the learn more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Make sure you align the icon. Just like that. And group this one. Say web design. Duplicate it by pressing Ctrl or Command J. Place it on the other side. Just like that. Duplicate it once. Place it like that. Now let's change the text. Development. Okay, let's adjust this text. So 20 I think will do to have its 3 line of text. Now let's change the heading as well as the icons. Now for support icon, I would like to use the anchor. Now duplicate layer and switch back. Locate the icon by pressing Ctrl T. Change the fill color. Resize it. Place it like that. Now delete that. Name this support. Another one is development. And let's change the icon to this one. Control T again to find it. Drag it right there. Control T, change it to 200%. Change the fill color. Delete that. As you can see, it's aligned evenly and balanced. Now, let's just resize this one. Lock it again. Zoom in. Now, let's create dividers for this one. Switch on ruler tool and again, measure 60. Now on Services, create a new layer and group it, name it Divider. Using Line tool, create a new line. By holding Shift, that will make a straight line. Now change the color for this to E3, E3, E3 and move it to the guideline. Resize it to 1 pixel. Just like that. Change it the weight to 1. Another divider will be on this side and on this side. So just create a new line. Place it right at the center of these grids. Like that. Change the fill color to E3, E3, E3. Duplicate this line and move it here. Turn off the baseline grid as well as the guides. And everything is in place and well balanced. Now on the next video, we're going to create the latest work section. So see you guys on the next video.